Hey guys, today on the e91 I'm gonna be replacing the mirror glass. Does not look good, and then I'm gonna replace these mirror covers as well. So starting with the mirrors, gonna open these up and look at how they go in. So I opened up the plastic pack. Now we have the box with the glass inside. Here we go. So, as you can see, it's just gonna click in after I take the other ones out. So, I'm gonna start pulling the other ones out first. Gonna use a plastic tool. There we go. Just like that. Pull it out, and then there are two connections for the heat in the mirror. Disconnect those carefully, and then we just plug it into the new mirror and pop it in. So now it's out. Much better. But I wanna try replacing the covers before I put the mirrors on, if I need to look at something back here. So I'm gonna pry this open and look at it. Good that I didn't pop the mirror on, because here are the things for the cover, so I need to pop that out. Carefully. So, just like this. Just be careful not to break the tabs. There are like hooks here that accept the tabs from the mirror that are also holding it in, so you need to work it out. Now let's try the new cover. Like this. M3 mirror style. And like a matte finish on the outside. Looks pretty good. Just got my fingerprints on there. Now I just need to pop in the mirrors. So I need to connect these two wires there and then just push it in and see if it won't just click in like usual. There we go. There we go. Much better. So now it's just the other side. You can look at the difference right here. Stock ones and the M3 style. And here is the finished product. So nice.